Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about the battle cats, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial how I managed to get a mod which gave me unlimited XP and cat food. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys from the beginning what I have done and all the steps that I did to get this mod. So if anyone is interested to do it, just follow this tutorial until the end. You're going to be able to understand all the steps you need to follow. Okay, I'm just going to enter inside of the game right now. As you can see, I have a lot of XP over here, a lot of cat food. We're going to test them right now. For example, okay, to upgrade the cats, as you can see, I started to upgrade them before, and you can do it without a problem because you have a lot of XPs, and also you can go to the store and cat food you can buy as much as you want, guys, because you have a lot of them. All right, so let's just open a game so you can see that also it works and it's running the game also. And then I'm going to show you immediately what you have to do in order to get this mod. Okay, so we just enter inside of the game right now, guys. All right, as you can see, everything works and runs perfectly fine. So I'm not going to say too much inside of the game right now so I don't make the video too long. I'll go immediately to show you the steps you need to follow in order to get it. Also the mod, you can play it later on by yourself like you prefer to play. Okay, so guys, I will exit now from the game. So before we start the loading process of this mod, guys, all you need to do is just need to make sure you have a good connection with internet. So it will be good if you can get connected with Wi-Fi and also have it active the mobile data, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. And then all you need to do is just need to go to your internet browser. You can go and search. Me, I'm using, for example, Google right now. You can go and search in the searching bar about the website, which I'm going to type for you guys right now. So this is the name of the website, the first one here on the top, and you enter. You have right over here the first one, and you see that you have different categories over here, a lot of other apps and games, modded apps and games also. So you can check later on if you want about other games or apps. And to find the game easier, you just need to press the name of the game in the searching bar and press to play, and here it comes, search, sorry, and on the right side you have this button. You just need to press it. It will take you to the next page. You have the whole information. Later you can read it, and then you just need to press the blue sign on the loading. It will start the loading process of the mod. So by the end of this process, you're going to be able to install the mod, guys, and you will generate the XP and cat food in your game. Okay, so guys, if to any one of you in the end of this process is going to request any extra step, this is because of the region where you're located, guys. So if it's going to happen, just follow this required. You're going to be able to install the mod. Okay, so this is my video tour for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before we leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.